What's up everyone, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session what we have discussed the Ceil function. Now what exactly we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session we are going to discuss the power function. Yes, that is the topic which we are going to see in this session. So guys, what is power function? As the name indicate, it gives the power of any number. Instead of the number you can use the column name as well, so that we will see in the practical. Okay, so I do not need to explain on this. You will come to know everything about the power in the practical session. Okay guys, so power function is nothing but it gives the power. Now let's see the syntax part of the power function, how exactly you can use. So as you can see on your screen, this is the syntax of the power function. So guys, I hope you have understood the syntax part of the power function. Now let's go for the practical. So guys, just right now we have seen the theory part of the power function. Now it's time for the practice. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see on your screen, this is the syntax of the power function, in which it requires the two arguments. The first argument is nothing but your numeric value or column name on which you want the power, or I can say that of which you want the power, and what power you want, that is nothing but your second parameter. Okay, so this is nothing but your power function syntax. Now let's understand this with the help of one example. So as you can see over here, this is the one select statement. Over here I have used the power function and I have given the 9, 2, means I want the 9 to the power of 2. So that is nothing but your 81. So as you can see on your screen, this is the output of this query. So this is how it will work. So guys, it's very pretty simple. Power means it will give the power. Instead of this power you can use 2, you can use the 3 as well. So whatever the number you want, you can use it guys. So instead of this 9, you can use the some column name also. So let's understand this with help of another example. So as you can see on your screen, this is the example of the column name. So this is how it will work. So guys, as you can see over here, 0.4 to the power 2, which is nothing but your 0.16. Instead of this you can use this 7 as well. You can see over here. So guys, I hope you have understood what exactly the power function. Power function is nothing but it is required to get the power of some column or numeric value. So this is nothing but your power functions. So now it's time for the assignment. So let's go for the assignment. And guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye, take care.